Gadgets Factory. Please subscribe our channel.
Imagine if you didn't have to get your phone out for every little thing. What if there was a simpler way to interact with your devices? Flick is a wireless button that connects to your iOS or Android device. So instead of going through your phone, you simply press the button. That's better. I use the Flick app to set it up, and then I can stick Flick wherever I want. I can even share this Flick with my roommate, so he can use it when I'm not around. But Flick isn't just for your house. You can stick your Flicks anywhere, like in your car or on your bike.
Head straight.
It's really cool.
Your destination is on the left.
And you can clip your Flicks. It's great for any situation where you need a quick and discreet shortcut.
Me. Hey.
Like now.
Me.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I have to take this. But Flick can be so much more than just a shortcut to your phone. It can be integrated with lots of different services beyond your devices. Check this one out. Take me home, Cabby. And when I get home, I want everything to just take care of itself. Shh! Movie's starting. Another great feature of Flick is that it can be used as a safety device. With just a push of a button, you can send live updates of your location or even a distress signal to your family and friends.
Cut! It's a wrap!
Alright, good job.
Finally.
Good job, man.
Anyone wants pizza?
Yeah. Nice. That
Hey,
was a good button.
hang on guys, let me grab a quick selfie first.
Sure. Alright, yeah.
Me and the Flick team.
Let's scooch in a bit.
Alright, you guys ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Flick!
Hi, we're a Swedish team that has been working for almost 2 years to create Flick, and we're really excited to finally show it to you. We've gone through a hardware incubator in San Francisco, we traveled all across Europe and China to finalize the design and to find the right partners.
We have developed the Flick app to be super simple to set up. Just open your app, press the button, and select the function that you need. We also have an easy software development kit that allows other apps to work with Flick. We already have some amazing apps that will work with Flick already from the start.
And now we need your help to make this all happen. In order to bring Flick to the market and into your hands, we need to fund the tooling and certifications that are needed. In return for your contribution, we'll send you the very first Flicks ever made. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.
At IDEA, we believe that the capturing process should happen seamlessly, just like the experience itself does. PETA is the world's first transformative drone that enables true versatility in a way that you capture your experience, whether it's aerial, handheld, or mounted. PETA transforms to your needs in a matter of seconds. The Action Cam module has 3 screw hole for universal mounting. Changing modes is quick and easy with modular design that magnetically snaps and twists to lock. Optimized for the first-time pilots across all ages, PETA is light and small to take with you everywhere without adding extra bulk. With our vision recognition technology to target and follow users, capturing with PETA is as easy as throwing it with a click of a button.
Our team has deployed a number of vision recognition technologies across many different sectors. We have been working days and nights for the last 1.5 years to bring the same video processing technologies to PETA, to create a small yet powerful autonomous drone that combines all the pros of previous drones and action cameras. We have completed development and are now in need of your help to move on to the manufacturing stage to shed light on PETA. Please join us to make PETA a reality.
When we first launched the 3Doodler, we asked the world to imagine a pen that could literally draw in the air. 2 years on, we've made the world's first 3D printing pen even better, with a new and improved version that's slimmer, lighter, quieter, and even easier to use. The 3Doodler heats, then rapidly cools plastic, allowing instant 3D creation. And with no software or computers, the possibilities are limited only by your imagination. We've shipped over 130,000 first-generation 3Doodlers, and our community has used them to create amazing things, from jewelry to RC planes, fully 3Doodled dresses, architectural models, and even writing Braille. It was because of the support of this Kickstarter community that we were able to make the 3Doodler dream a reality. To say thank you, we've decided to bring 3Doodler 2.0 to you first. Completely redesigned from top to bottom and housed in a sleek aluminum casing, the new 3Doodler is the result of over 2 years of research and development, all aimed at giving you the best 3Doodling experience possible. The new 3Doodler is also packed with loads of enhancements, making it smoother, sleeker, and easier to use than ever before. We're also releasing exciting new accessories, including the Jetpack, a portable power pack that gives you the freedom to 3Doodle on the go. To help kickstart creativity in the classroom, we've created a special educational bundle, complete with pens, plastic, accessories, and curricular materials, which you can send to any school, library, or makerspace of your choosing. If you can draw, write, or wave a finger in the air, you can create with the 3Doodler. Our community website has hundreds of projects and stencils that you can download for free, and it's filled with how-to videos and images of inspiring creations from around the world. So, when will you get your new 3Doodler? We'll start delivering to our first backers in a few weeks, and the majority of you will be 3Doodling by April. We can't thank you enough for joining us on this amazing journey.
Travelmate is a robot companion like no other. It's the first fully autonomous suitcase that can go anywhere. You can use it when you're going to work, when traveling, or in any other situation wherein you'd otherwise be carrying your stuff with you. If you look at the evolution of mobile phones, they started out with a singular function, and now we have smartphones that have thousands of capabilities. We want to bring the same type of innovation to suitcases. Thanks to integrated dynamically learning artificial intelligence and advanced movement features, the Travelmate suitcase can handle large crowds and complicated situations with ease. It doesn't need any extra peripherals and has fully autonomous vertical and horizontal driving modes. Travelmate has a powerful electric motor, which is nonetheless whisper quiet. When in horizontal mode, you can add other suitcases or items on top, and Travelmate will carry them for you. This suitcase has an innovative movement system that utilizes Omni wheels to turn effortlessly. It can come to a full stop and turn 360 degrees seamlessly. Omni wheels allow the Travelmate to make tiny adjustments that allow precision on-the-fly adjustments. This is especially useful for avoiding unexpected objects or people who happen to run past the suitcase. Travelmate has turn indicators and sensors that show up when stopping or accelerating. You can adjust a variety of other features with our app, which is easy to use and intuitive. And since all of our software will be open source, it will be open to user mods, which have the potential to create new features altogether. It can also provide auditory cues if you choose to enable them via the Travelmate smartphone app. You can choose your suitcase's LED lighting color and control it directly through the Travelmate smartphone application. Travelmate is fully compliant with TSA regulations and has a removable battery which you can use to charge your electronics. In continuous autonomous use, we anticipate a battery charge of 4 hours. Travelmate also has a variety of smart suitcase features in all models. These features include an integrated scale, which shows you the weight of your luggage, a separate easy access compartment for electronics and laptops, and a smart lock system. You never have to worry about losing your suitcase, because the Travelmate comes with a GPS chip, which will show you the location of your items at all times via our smartphone app. Travelmate is the first autonomous suitcase and robot companion that's suitable for use almost anywhere. Right now on our crowdfunding page, we're offering the Travelmate suitcase at a starting price of $399. By supporting our project, you're getting an awesome suitcase and, at the same time, you help advance this type of technology.
Gadgets Factory. Please subscribe our channel.